Today we're going to do a quick overview of the Linux distro Pop! OS. Yes, hello, welcome. So this is what you get presented with in Pop! OS. So this is the first glance. So as you can see at the top mid, we got the date and time. And if we press here, we can see our calendar. And we get our notifications, and we can clear the notifications and also toggle the do not disturb mode. Top right corner, we got the battery, volume, your Wi-Fi, and all of your settings right here in an easy glance. So we got the network, we got the Bluetooth, the appearance, and all of that stuff. We can also go into applications, privacy, and your online accounts. Top left corner, you got the activities. Here you can find your different desktops. You can find your frequent apps, and you can also press the show applications to reach all of your apps. And also you can press here for frequent apps. You can search for your favorite app here. We can search for Firefox. Let's head into Firefox. So we're using a Surface Pro 1 here, and it's not the fastest computer, but the OS works perfectly with this old computer. You can go into YouTube here, and you can scroll down and see all of your videos. I'm not gonna play a video right now because this computer is pretty slow. And then we can also go into the store here. And we got the Pop Shop here. We go into the Pop Shop, and here you can find Unleash Your Potential with Explore Your Horizons. So this is a game here, I presume. You can also find your audio applications, your communication, development, and education. Let's head into education. And here you can see Achilles Life Simulator, Aladdin, AlgoBox, AlphaPlot, and all the apps that you want to install on your computer. So now let's head into the Office. So we got LibreOffice. Let's go into LibreOffice Writer. Wow, this is LibreOffice, and you can write your documents with this free application LibreOffice. Wow, what an amazing system and what an amazing package deal. So now I think let's head down to our file manager and see how that looks in this OS. So you got your home, desktop, documents, downloads, music, and you got everything here, inclusive the trash. Yes. So this is about it. Pop! OS. Wow, what an amazing system and what an amazing experience with Linux distros. Thank you so much. Wow, what an amazing OS, Pop! OS. Suten was amazed right the second he started up this and installed this OS. He was amazed, and I was amazed the second that I laid my hands on this OS. This is a really neat and a really functional OS, one of my favorite OS in Linux distros. So please share this video with any of your friends out there in the world that needs a better OS, a day-to-day driver, because Pop! OS will make their lives so much easier. And do not forget to like this video so everyone can see that this OS needs some audience out there in the world. And you can also press that bell icon so you can get notified of our recent uploads. And do not forget that subscribe button so you can get all of our videos in your feed, and we can grow together so much more as a tech family here on YouTube. Thank you so much, developer System 76.
Human and Suten.